Hello everyone, today in a tutorial we will learn trending paper fold effect like an Ali Abdaal and paper transition effect. You can check out Ali Abdaal YouTube channel. First I will show how to make the paper fold effect. Then later we'll create paper transition effect. Let us start now. This is the texture loop. Let us drag and drop the paper fold video into our timeline. I will drag it at top at the 5th layer. Then add the image of your choice. Here I am adding the PNG picture. Let us fit this properly. Now I will place it under this paper fold video. I will trim it up to here. If I want to extend, we'll do it later. I want this picture to stay for a while and then fold animation happens. Select this paper fold video, search for Ultra Key effect, and then apply it to this paper video. I will remove this blue color with the help of this color key pen tool. Now you can see here blue color has removed. Now I will nest this. To do this, right click on your mouse and select this nest. Same, do it for picture 2. Now for this nested picture I will apply the TrackMate effect. In matte, I will select the layer 5. Because I want effect to apply for this video, so I select this layer 5. Now it's done. You can see the paper fold effect now. I want this effect to look like that our subject reveling from the fold paper. Therefore, I will drag this both layer by holding Alt and drag it using the mouse with left click. If you want only up to this part, you can let this second procedure. Now search for Ultra Key and then apply to this paper fold layer. Remove this green color using pen tool, pick the green from this. Almost it is done. Now one final thing we need to do is I want to remove this border. For that, I will search the track matte and apply to this layer. And here I will select this top layer, which is our video 4. Now you can see borderline has disappeared. In case, if you want this fade out into reverse, just do one thing for this paper layer, change the direction into reverse before applying the effect. So similar once you've done it. This will be the output. I could show this by creating, but this is also follows the same procedure. Therefore, I do not think it is necessary. Okay, let us coming back to subject. Now I will show you the paper transition. Drag and drop the image or video, anything you like. Then this paper transition I will place it over here. Set it to frame size. Let's move this one layer upward, so that I can place one more image or video below this. Search for Ultra Key and apply for paper video. Then in key color, I will pick up the blue color with the help of pen tool. Now cut this part by selecting razor tool. Or press Ctrl K on your keyboard. Now select both these and nest it. This image will place under this nested layer. Let me scale it properly. Then again, apply the Ultra Key for this nest layer and pick the blue color with the pen tool. You can notice here some color changes on this train. Let us fix it. Double click on this nest layer and then search for color balance HLS. That is hue, lightness and saturation. In this hue, I will change it to green color. Now come back to our sequence. Here I will pick the green color. Looks better than previous one. You can fix it by making some color changing and all. For me, this is fine. I hope this video finds you helpful in creating paper fold effect and paper transitions. Please give the like for this video. And subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed yet, please like and subscribe it and hit the bell icon, so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching video, have a nice day.